crypto scam run by the Chinese is again on the rise and is duping crypto investors of their investment. Just a while back, there were reports about a US citizen being duped of around $1 million by falling prey to this scam. The FBI had been warning people to steer clear of such online cyber fraud, but the incidents continue to rise unabated in USA and in other countries. By FBI's own admissions, around $430 million were lost in USA last year due to these. Today, we break down this scam that goes by the name of pig butchering. But before that, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our portal. First, let us understand about the nomenclature of the scam. In this cryptocurrency scam, pig means victim. Those who have been conned or are being conned. The name derives its origin from the process of fattening the pigs by the butchers in the abattoir before slaughtering them. This is the whole concept of it. The scammer showers the victim with messages of love and affection to emotionally fatten them up, similar to fattening a pig. Let us break it down further. Pig butchering or pig slaughtering is essentially when a scammer builds up trust with their victims before convincing them to deposit more and more of their crypto assets into bogus digital wallets or websites controlled by the scammer. More often than not, this happens via online dating apps that have glutted the market everywhere. Scamsters take advantage of loneliness of people and of their desire to be romantically involved with someone through dating. They usually send a message via WhatsApp, text, Facebook, Twitter or another app like Tinder as if it was intended for someone else, often with an attractive person's profile photo. Now, the interesting part is that they don't ask for anything upfront, or they don't try to trick you into depositing anything right away. The whole process of conning is effected through the modus operandi of gaining people's trust gradually. At first, the conversations begins on a lighter and informal note. With time, it turns personal and intimate. They scour for vulnerable personal information, offer them emotional support, and then flees and disappear. Instead of asking for a large sum of money straight away, the scammers slowly work to convince their targets to move their cryptocurrencies away from legitimate exchanges and onto fraudulent websites controlled by them that looks like authentic trading platforms. Some scammers even give the targets a small amount of money they claim to be returns in order to convince them to invest even larger sums of money. These returns are usually higher than the average returns in the market. This makes the victim think that they have invested in legit trading platforms and that they can increase their savings by parking their funds with such trading platforms. However, when the victim attempts to withdraw their accrued funds, they are told they must pay a fee before their money can be released. Often, the scammers simply disappear with the stolen funds, which are nearly impossible to get returned. The practice is so lucrative that it is being scaled up and carried out en masse in countries like Cambodia, Laos and Myanmar. And here comes the human trafficking angle in the picture. People in these regions are lured with the idea of having a very well-paid job, and once they reach these countries, they are simply kidnapped. These dark versions of customer service call centers work similarly to corporate offices, except for the fact that all of the employees have been kidnapped and forced to commit fraud via violent coercion. The scam has also found its victims in India. Few months back, people from Chennai and Chhattisgarh also lost huge sums by getting trapped in this online scam that preys on psychological manipulation. This was what you needed to know about the pig butchering scam. We hope that you liked this new video. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.